Friends, I'm Zanara and today we are making Hyderabadi chicken biryani. Friends, these are the ingredients we need: chicken, ghee, yogurt, lemon juice, salt, red chili powder, haldi, fried onions, ginger garlic paste, green chili, coriander, and this is garam masala. Now we're going to put the ingredients, then we're going to marinate the chicken. The spoon to get the sticky stuff all in the bowl. We will mix it and marinate it for 1 hour. We have marinated the chicken. I have added 3 glass of rice and now I'm going to boil. Friends, we have marinated the chicken and now we are boiling the rice. I have put the chicken in a patila and I have boiled the rice. Now I'm going to put the rice in the marinated chicken. Friends, I put the rice over the chicken. Now I'm going to put some oil around it. And now color food. Just pinch of it like this, and it will be good. And now we are going to put the patila stuff on it and seal it with atta. See, place the atta all around the patila. Now I'm going to put the cap. Slowly. Now take a little of it and fix this hole. Our patila is ready for dum. Now we are heating the tawa on full flame. When we have placed patila on tawa, now we will cook it on high flame for 15 minutes. Then we will turn the flame slow and we will cook the biryani on low flame for 25 minutes. And in the last, we will give dum on very low flame for 10 minutes. And then our biryani